Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to eat center fresh, updated. Start by washing hands and unwrapping one piece gently to avoid tearing the center. Bite slowly to locate the soft center, then chew with even pressure while breathing through your nose to enjoy flavor. If the center bursts, swallow cautiously or spit into a napkin. Avoid swallowing large pieces. Dispose of wrapper responsibly and rinse mouth with water. In this section, I explain how to maximize flavor and texture while keeping things safe and pleasant. Start by identifying the soft center and alternate chewing sides to lengthen flavor release. Keep pressure light and steady to avoid sudden bursts that can splash your mouth or clothes. Pause occasionally to savor the cooling effect and aroma. If you notice irritation, stop and rinse with water to protect your tongue and gums. In this break, I ask that if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are great for carrying snacks, spare gum, or a napkin without spills, and they seal tight for commuting or gym bags. They're handy for avoiding sticky surprises when a center bursts mid-commute. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I help you avoid mistakes that ruin the center fresh experience and create mess. Don't bite hard on the first chew and avoid juggling multiple pieces in your mouth. Keep the gum in a cool place and handle it gently when unwrapping public or windy settings. If the center leaks, clean surfaces quickly and consider a spare napkin. These small habits make your gum moments cleaner and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.